in the memory. Today is an idyllic seaside town, but in the 1950s it was the scene of the worst flooding in post-war Britain. These floods claimed many lives and ripped the community apart.
Torrential rain, we could see something was going to happen, nowhere near like it did happen.
Roy Pugsley was a 19-year-old builder when on the 16th of August 1952 torrential storms blew in across the moor, bringing with them 9 inches of rain in just 24 hours.
I think the sound of the river in Coburn, the sound of the rocks crashing, like an express train, the old day steam trains going through a wayside station at speed. It's a frightening noise.
A torrent of water burst the banks of the River Lynn, cascading down the hills onto Lynmouth, which lay helplessly below. Roy knows all too well the horror that followed. It happened at night, so what were you aware of? What was your first memories?
Well, it was just, as far as you could see, it was pitch dark, there was no street lights, the rainstorm made it very cloudy and foggy that you couldn't see anything, and all you could see really was the river that was in front of you. So all you could see was a roaring mass of water. So you couldn't see any houses falling in the river because you just couldn't see that far in front of you.
Describe the next morning when daylight came and you saw the destruction.
Absolutely frightening. It was impossible to know where to start. The roads were washed away, bridges were washed away, and everything was covered with rocks and boulders and trees in what we term as deads, and everything was just smothered. You might see there'd be nothing to see a tree sticking in somebody's front window or something like that. Absolutely frightening.
34 people lost their lives.
Yes.
Did you know at the time that a house had been taken away, that people were going to...
Yes, at the end of the night we realised that 1 or 2 houses had been destroyed because we saw them. I myself was in the little road up there, the footpath up there, looking down on a big hotel. We watched that collapse into the sea.
A couple of the houses had complete families in them.
Yes.
And you knew them?
Oh yes, one of them was a building worker, Mr. Bill Richards, and he lost his... I think he went back in the house to get the children and his wife and their handbags and what have you, and it was all too late. And another was 3 old people who lived in Midland. They were very, very poor old tumble-down cottages, but they were cottages that people lived in, and they were at the age they'd seen the floods before, and I think the principle was to put the chairs on top of the kitchen table, roll the mat up, go to bed, and I'm afraid it was a lot bigger flood than whatever they'd been through before.
It must have been an incredibly tough thing for the community to come to terms with.
Oh, frightening. Frightening, because you couldn't even imagine it. It was one of these things that nobody'd ever seen anything other than the Blitz in London or in any big city. But to be a little village here, it was absolutely frightening.
Slowly the village began to recover and rebuild. But persistent rumours started to emerge that maybe Lynmouth's floods weren't simply an act of God. Within months, incredible claims started to circulate about a secret military experiment, codenamed Operation Cumulus. The Ministry of Defence was conducting secret cloud seeding experiments, dropping silver iodine crystals into clouds to make it rain. The idea was to create bad weather on demand to repel possible enemy forces. The authorities authorities initially denied these experiments were taking place. But in 2001, new documents and RAF logbooks were uncovered, along with an interview with a pilot carrying out the experiments further inland. The interview makes fascinating listening.
We'd assembled at Cranfield in Bedfordshire in mid-August 1952, studying clouds. There was no disguising the fact that the seedsman had said he'd make it rain, and he did. The combined enterprise had attracted a lot of attention. The BBC television unit had visited us to make a film and to explain the probable advantages to the world of a controlled rainfall. The day before the programme was due, the rain fell with unprecedented vigour and washed Lynmouth into the sea.
The programme was never broadcast, and no link was ever proven between these two events. But it's not the only question about the floods which remains unanswered.